Whew. Hey everyone, welcome to another day of Uttarakhand vlog. So it's 12:10, almost 12:15. I was actually supposed to leave at 6 in the morning, but yeah, I got some work. I need to stop at Chamba and I need to go to the ATM, fill petrol. Chamba is another 12 kilometers. The only reason for starting the trek today was, I could have completed and been back by tomorrow evening. And the weather is showing that from 11th it might rain. Yeah, I just hope the weather stays true, man. Like, if the weather is good, then it'll be a nice trek. If it'll be raining, then it doesn't really matter to me. I can change it anytime I want. So that's a good thing. So we just left Chamba and petrol bhara diya, ATM se cash nikal diya. And I was asking the petrol pump guy. Which route to take, which is the best route for Uttarkashi, and he told me no need to take the external, I think the main highway, because I think that is still under construction and the road condition is not good. And there'll be traffic there as well. Checking on Google Maps as well for quite some time now, and I had this route in mind as well, but I thought I'll take this route while coming back to explore this as well. And he told me it's 20-25 kilometers less, so that's like I can save at least half an hour, 40 minutes easily there. On this route, on Google Maps I saw there's like one beautiful bridge right on top of Tehri Dam. उसने देख के चला. This is the first time I'm vlogging while driving the car, and sometimes it happens that you're driving and then you're looking at the phone if you are getting a decent view, but then while looking at the phone you forget about the road for half a second or maybe 0.1, 0.2 seconds. Don't do that. Stop for क्या ब्रेकफास्ट तो बोल नहीं सकते इसे. रुक भाई, साइड दे रहा था मैं. Didn't want to stop only. So yeah, अभी let's see. ब्रेकफास्ट तो नहीं बोलूँगा, ब्रंच ही बोलूँगा. Oh, this is Tehri. देखोगे? दिखाओ, दिखाते हैं. चलो. Just in between this jungle, before that bridge spot, there's this beautiful lake, and I think we can see someone is boating as well. So if you want to explore the water activities, there are quite a few here. Yeah, we're like 8 kilometers from that bridge. I can see that bridge somewhat. What I'll do is till the bridge I'll I'll shoot a time lapse. The bridge, and I'll show you just now. You can see the river dam. I think I have to take a right only. Foodie town, nice man. Just look at this. They have signals and all as well, man. This is just massive bridge. Seriously, man, this is amazing. Out of nowhere, in the middle of nowhere, on top of a man-made river. This beautiful, I'll show you wide angle if possible. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, so I'm not stopping here right now. I'll stop at this same spot when we're coming back, because yeah, it's 2:15 already, and take us another 3 hours maybe. If you're going to Parsu, it will take us 3.5 hours, and it'll be almost sunset time. So yeah, this is amazing, man. Like, this is just amazing. आओ कभी ब्रिज पे. Nicely made structure. Uttarkashi is 80 kilometers. So, if you guys are still watching this vlog, I mean, as you all know, this is like my first time exploring this kind of thing. So I've been experimenting with normal view of my camera, then wide view. Let me know in the comments if you like this normal view or if you like this wide angle view. अरे भाई जी, पानी भरने रुक गए भाई जी. Daruga session was going on, and yeah, there was a spot here where you could fill water. Imagine, man, the spot where you fill water, there only you sit and have your drinks. So you can just pass out there also if you want. Unlimited supply of water, fresh water. So another 40 kilometers for Uttarkashi. 40 मतलब 1 घंटा 20 मिनट. Yeah, 1 hour 20 minutes. Road is lovely, man. ब्रेक मार देनी पड़ती है यार कभी कभी, कुछ कर नहीं सकते क्योंकि बहुत पतला रास्ता है. स्लो-मो में निकलते हैं फिर दोनों गाड़ियां एक दूसरे को देखते हुए. फनी सीन. इतना बड़ा पत्थर, ऐसा लग रहा है कभी भी गिर जाएगा. यहाँ तो कतई नहीं रुकना. Okay, Uttarkashi last 30 kilometers. Gangotri is 129. Yeah, this is much better. So I just stopped here for like 5 minutes. Need to wear a jacket. ठंड बढ़ती जा रही है. But just look at this. In the middle of nowhere. I mean, if you want to skip Uttarkashi, not skip as in skip the other route and Uttarkashi as well, because this will, I'm assuming this road will connect straight almost at the point where Uttarkashi ends. So that's a good thing because Uttarkashi is huge. Wedding season going on everywhere. I mean, I saw at least 15-20 cars all like decorated and all. And finally we have Bhagirathi river on our left side, the origin of Ganga river. Ooh, you saw that view? You can see, yeah, this is Bhagirathi river. Just amazing. The main original highway. Okay, I have to take a right from here. Military guys working on truck. Fixing it. Yeah, Gangotri is straight. after crossing Uttarkashi, I rode for around 20 kilometers. There's a board there for Barsu, which was showing 9 kilometers, and there only it was written Deara Bugyal 16 kilometers. I'm ending this episode here because, as you can see, the road is very small. It's almost completely dark. There's like tiny bit of light. Yeah, you can see those lights. I think that is Barsu on top. So yeah, need to go there, find a place to stay, and yeah, because I won't have energy later on to end this vlog, so I'm ending it here only in the car because it started in the car only. Smart. Oh, this is a dead turn. Yeah. So do stay tuned. I'll cover most of the trek as much as I can, and yeah, do like, subscribe, share so that my channel can grow. Feels like there's oceans meeting with me once again. Hide our emotions under the surface, trying to pretend. Feels like there's oceans